All right, Alabama barbecue reviews, social distancing edition. Today I'm at Atrox factory, which is a haunted attraction out here in Leeds, Alabama. And from what I understand, one of the best in the state, if not in the southeast, hell, if not in the world. It's a pretty neat little thing. You can sign up, come out here, they'll slot you in and get you with a group of folks to go. And the other thing that they have out here is a barbecue food truck. The food truck is called Slat Smokehouze, and this guy is a competition barbecue guy. Now he's running a food truck, does events, does Atrox. I think he's here for his 4th year. So we were invited to come out here and give these guys a try. We'll let you know what we think. All right, run you over scoring real quick. We do pulled pork and pulled pork only. We're not trying to compare brisket to chicken to ribs. And we give them a high school score, 0% to 100%, with somewhere in the mid-70s, being a pretty good barbecue. Now, I was able to get a real quick pit tour over there. Oh my Lord! Wait till you see this sandwich. And he's got his big smoker on the back of the food truck. They smoke it here, fresh every day. Slat Smokehouze. Now take a look at this here. Okay. Let's see if you can see that. Here, I'm gonna pick the camera up just a little bit. Look at the bark on that sandwich. Woo! Well, you know how I'm gonna feel about that. 2 options on sauces. He has a spicy vinegar tomato sauce, and then he has just kind of a standard sweet sauce. I did taste the sweet sauce. You guys know I like the more vinegary kind of something with a little oomph in it. So I am going to go with that one. First, let's have a taste of this meat. It's great smoke on this meat. It's cooked right. He said he does his butts for 14 hours. It's good. That's real good. Let's see how it all marries up. All right, sauced him up. Let's have a look here. Slat Smokehouze. Gotta give that barbecue sauce just a minute. I did taste it by itself. As you would expect in a haunted house, the sauce is gonna sneak up on you a little bit. The heat on that sauce is just absolutely perfect. So here's a little trivia for you, because I didn't know this, but I know it now. Paul Johnson, who runs Atrox here, you don't call it a haunted house, okay? If you're really in the know, if you want some useless trivia, you call it a haunt. It's a haunt. So here I am at Atrox's haunt. Now, I'm not going to go inside because I'm not really all about getting scared and stuff like that, but I'll tell you, I wish this barbecue truck was outside the gate. To get it, you're gonna have to come in here and follow them up on social media, see if they're doing some events somewhere around, or just come to Atrox factory. I mean, that's the easiest way to get here. I'm gonna give it a score. Slat Smokehouze is gonna come in at an 85. That is driving barbecue. That's good barbecue. You can tell it's a competition style barbecue. So if you like that kind of meat, that really rich kind of one bite kind of sandwich, that's a sandwich for you. But as always, that's just my 2 cents, and your mileage may vary.